Imagine a device so complex, so ahead of its time, that it could predict eclipses, track the motions of planets, and calculate the timing of the Olympic Games. And it was built over 2,000 years ago. This isn't science fiction. It's the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient Greek machine that could rival modern computers. For centuries, experts believed nothing like this existed in the ancient world. Then, in 1901, a shipwreck off a remote Greek island changed everything. What was found inside the sea's depths would rewrite our understanding of history. This is the real story behind the ancient world's greatest mystery.
In the early 1900s, sponge diving was one of the most dangerous and demanding jobs in the Mediterranean Sea. Divers would plunge deep into the water, often using primitive gear or no breathing equipment at all, risking decompression sickness and drowning. The sponge trade was lucrative but perilous, and Greek sponge divers were some of the best in the world. It was during one of these dives in 1900, near the small rocky island of Antikythera in the Aegean Sea, that the ordinary became extraordinary. A group of divers spotted something unusual on the seabed, a large wreckage covered in centuries of coral and marine growth. It was the remains of a Roman cargo ship, a relic lost for nearly 2 millennia. The divers began salvaging artifacts carefully. They pulled up pottery shards, marble statues, glassware, jewelry, treasures that told stories of the ancient world's commerce and culture. Among these finds were several small bronze fragments, corroded, broken, and covered in incrustations. One diver noticed something odd. Some of the bronze pieces looked like gears, parts of a machine, unlike anything recovered before from that era. At first, the divers and archaeologists had little idea what these fragments were. The concept of advanced machinery from 2,000 years ago seemed improbable. Most assumed they were parts of decorative items or simple tools. The fragments were sent to the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, where they were cataloged with thousands of other artifacts. For decades, they remained unstudied and largely forgotten, overshadowed by more impressive finds like statues and gold. It was not until the 1950s that the mystery began to unravel. A British physicist and historian of science named Derek J. DeSola Price became fascinated by the strange bronze fragments. Using cutting-edge X-ray technology for the time, Price examined the internal structure of the corroded remains. What he discovered was astonishing. Inside the fragments were finely crafted gears and wheels, some smaller than a fingernail, others larger, all meticulously designed to work together. Price concluded that these parts were components of an ancient analog computer, a mechanical calculator designed to predict astronomical phenomena such as eclipses and planetary motions. This discovery stunned the scientific community. The complexity of the device was thought impossible for ancient Greek technology. The mechanism was later named the Antikythera Mechanism, after the island where it was found. Historians realized that this machine represented a leap in technological sophistication that would not be matched for over 1,000 years. But questions remained. Who built it? How was it used? And why was such advanced knowledge lost for centuries? The story of the Antikythera Mechanism is not just about a machine. It's about rediscovering a forgotten chapter of human ingenuity.
Once Derek J. DeSola Price revealed the Antikythera fragments were part of an ancient mechanical device, a new challenge emerged: understanding how it actually worked. At first, the mechanism looked like a chaotic mess of corroded gears and broken plates, too damaged to reconstruct. But Price was convinced this was no ordinary artifact. He believed it was an analog computer, a concept completely foreign to the ancient world as traditionally understood. The big question was, how could the Greeks over 2,000 years ago build something so complex? For decades, scientists, historians, and engineers struggled to decode the Antikythera Mechanism.
Early attempts involved painstaking manual reconstructions, where experts tried to fit the bronze fragments together like a 3D jigsaw puzzle. But much of the internal structure was hidden inside layers of corrosion and mineral deposits. In the 1970s and 80s, advances in X-ray imaging and computed tomography (CT scans) allowed researchers to peer inside the mechanism without damaging it. These scans revealed more than 30 intricate gears of different sizes, some with tiny teeth numbering over 200. Each gear had a precise function, designed to turn in sync with the others to perform calculations. More astonishingly, the mechanism's inscriptions, scratched on the bronze plates, contained detailed astronomical data and instructions. Decoding these texts took years, requiring experts fluent in ancient Greek language and astronomy. The inscriptions describe cycles of the moon, the sun, and even the irregular orbit of the planet Venus. It was clear this was a sophisticated device built to track celestial events, not just a clock or calendar. Through collaboration between historians, scientists, and engineers, the puzzle gradually came together. Models were built to replicate the mechanism's function, confirming it could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track the positions of the sun, moon, and known planets, and even forecast the timing of the ancient Olympic Games. No other device from antiquity matches this level of mechanical sophistication. This discovery challenged long-held assumptions about the capabilities of ancient technology and astronomy. It proved that the ancient Greeks had achieved a technological complexity previously thought impossible. The Antikythera Mechanism was not just a calculator. It was a marvel of ancient engineering, a window into the scientific knowledge of a lost era. At the heart of the Antikythera Mechanism lies a complex system of gears and dials designed to track and predict the movements of celestial bodies with incredible precision. Imagine a device roughly the size of a shoebox, made entirely of bronze, with dozens of interlocking gears the size of coins. Each gear represented a part of the cosmos, the sun, the moon, and the known planets of the ancient world. The mechanism could calculate the phases of the moon, including the strange irregularities caused by the moon's elliptical orbit, something even many modern calendars don't account for easily. But it didn't stop there. It tracked the Metonic cycle, a 19-year period after which the phases of the moon repeat on the same days of the solar year. This was crucial for ancient calendars and festivals. It could also predict solar and lunar eclipses by calculating the Saros cycle, approximately 18 years long when eclipses repeat. By turning a hand crank, users could move the gears and see the positions of celestial bodies on the front and back dials. One dial displayed the zodiac, showing the sun's movement through the constellations. Another dial showed the lunar phases and eclipses. The back contained a calendar dial and other astronomical cycles. One of the most surprising features was the inclusion of the timing for the ancient Olympic Games. This shows the device wasn't just for astronomers, it was connected to social and religious life, helping organize important events. The craftsmanship of the gears is astonishing. Some gears had more than 200 tiny teeth, each meticulously cut to ensure precise movement. This level of mechanical engineering wasn't seen again until the development of complex clocks in medieval Europe over 1,000 years later. The Antikythera Mechanism is a perfect blend of science, engineering, and art, a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Greeks. It reveals a civilization that understood the cosmos deeply and sought to represent that knowledge in a machine.
The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't just a one-off marvel. It was a technological masterpiece that challenged everything historians thought they knew about ancient science. For centuries, historians believed that the ancient world was primitive when it came to technology, that mechanical devices like clocks, geared machines, or calculators didn't exist until the Middle Ages or later. But this tiny, corroded relic shattered that idea. How could a device so complex be built 2,000 years ago, only to vanish from history? This mystery led to one of the greatest puzzles in archaeology.
Why was such advanced knowledge lost for centuries? Some experts suggest that the Antikythera Mechanism belonged to a small group of highly skilled Greek engineers and astronomers who developed this technology in secret or for limited use. Others believe that it represented the peak of Hellenistic science, but the following centuries of war, social upheaval, and economic decline caused much of this knowledge to be lost. There are also theories that the mechanism's design influenced later medieval clockwork technology, but direct links are hard to prove. The gap between the sophistication of the Antikythera Mechanism and the relative simplicity of technology for the next 1,000 years is staggering. No comparable device appears in the archaeological record for over a millennium. For many years, the mechanism seemed like an isolated anomaly, a miracle of ancient engineering lost in time. This makes the Antikythera Mechanism feel almost unbelievable, like a story from science fiction rather than real history. But it's not fiction. It's a stark reminder that our understanding of the past is incomplete. The mechanism challenges the idea that progress is always linear and steady. Instead, history is full of leaps and losses, periods of incredible achievement followed by dark ages where knowledge fades. The Antikythera Mechanism invites us to rethink ancient history. It tells us that the ancients were far more advanced than we often give them credit for, and that some technological wonders remain hidden, waiting to be rediscovered. The Antikythera machine is more than just an ancient machine. It's a symbol of human curiosity, creativity, and the endless quest to understand the universe. Its discovery reminds us how much we still don't know about the past. For centuries, history textbooks painted the ancient world as simple, a slow, steady march toward progress. But the mechanism reveals a far more complex story, one of innovation that leaps ahead, then sometimes vanishes, only to be rediscovered centuries later. This lost technology challenges our assumptions. It shows that ancient civilizations were capable of remarkable feats we are only now beginning to appreciate. The Antikythera Mechanism teaches us a valuable lesson about history itself. History doesn't always follow a straight line. Sometimes it sounds unbelievable, because it is, but it's always real. Its secrets encourage us to question what else might be hidden in the ruins of the past. What other marvels have been lost to time? What ancient knowledge awaits rediscovery? The story of the Antikythera Mechanism invites us to keep exploring, to stay curious and open-minded, because the more we uncover, the richer and stranger human history becomes. So next time you think history sounds fake, remember, often it just means reality was more incredible than anyone expected. If you enjoyed this video and are still not subscribed, please consider it, as it really helps me out a lot. Thank you.